Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to unleash your inner gaming beast? I've got just the thing for you, the ASUS ROG Strix G18, a powerhouse of a laptop that's about to blow your mind. First off, let's talk performance. This beast is packing an Intel Ultra 9 processor 275HX with 24 cores and 24 threads that can boost up to 5.4 GHz. Now, what does that mean for you? Simply put, it means this laptop is a speed demon. You'll be able to tackle even the most demanding games and applications without breaking a sweat. But performance isn't just about raw power, it's also about how well it can handle multitasking and streaming. That's where the 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM comes in, allowing you to juggle multiple browser tabs, voice chats, and games with ease. And with a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, you'll be loading games in seconds flat, no more tedious waiting around for your favorite titles to start. Now, let's talk about the graphics. We're talking NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU with 8 GB GDDR5 here. That means you'll be enjoying silky smooth frame rates and real-time ray tracing, giving you a decisive edge in fast-paced shooters and racing games. And with its blazing 240 Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time, you'll feel like you're right there on the track. But it's not just about what's inside, it's also about how it looks and feels. The 18-inch ROG Nebula Display is a stunning sight to behold, with 2.5K resolution, 500 nits of peak brightness, and a 16:10 aspect ratio that immerses you in your gaming experience like never before. And when the lights go out, the RGB backlit keyboard is still shining bright, customizable lighting effects at your fingertips. Of course, no laptop is complete without some serious connectivity options. That's why the ASUS ROG Strix G18 has got you covered with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for lag-free online gaming, plus a Thunderbolt 4 port that lets you hook up multiple monitors or stream content to your favorite platforms. But what about security? Don't worry, this laptop's got it covered too. With Windows 11 Pro, you'll be enjoying advanced security features like BitLocker encryption and enterprise-grade protection. And with the built-in 1080p FHD/IR camera, you can log in with password-free facial login using Windows Hello. Last but not least, let's talk about battery life. This laptop's got a 90-hour battery that can recharge from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. Perfect for marathon gaming sessions or long days on the go. So there you have it, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is an absolute powerhouse of a laptop that's sure to satisfy even the most demanding gamers and content creators. Don't believe me? Check out the link below to see what kind of deal you can score this beast for yourself.